Let's learn about TOPN function. TOPN function in Power BI allows you to filter the data in a table and keep only the top results. Let's understand this with our data. We have the sales data where we can see by year and by region the products and their sales. Now with this data, we can see the total sales that we are getting, which is sales of all the products, as well as we can see individual products, the total sales by individual products. So if we analyze the data, we can see the total sales as I spoke, which is sum of the sales column. And we can also see the sales by individual products. With top-end products, we will be able to, with top-end function, we would want to see the sales for only the top products. It could be top 3 products, it could be top 5 products. But we want to see this as a metric. So this 408K here is nothing but the sum of the first 3 products in this table. Now, how are we able to accomplish this? Let's learn that. We'll go back to our table. This is the table. Top-in function is a table function. So let's learn that by creating another table. We'll create a new table. Let me call it top and rows. If I need to find only top and rows from the sales table, I can simply use top n function. So it'll be top n. And let's say I want to keep only 5 rows, then keep the value as 5 and the table as sales data. If I keep only this much, this will give me the top 5 rows. Now this is not coming in any logical order. This is just giving me the top 5 rows. For the top 5 products, I need to modify my logic here. So for this, I'll just change the expression bit. Now I want top 5 or let's say top 3 product. And here I'm going to change this expression. I'll keep 3 here since we've changed it to 3. And now the table, I will not use the table as it is, but I'll use the summarized table here. So I'll use the function summarize. Table is sales data. My column is product because I want to see the data by product. The next column here would be sum of sales. So the name should be total sales. Which is sum of sales column in the sales data. Now this will be my table. And my result should be ordered by the total sales that I have just created. And the order should be descending. So this will give me the top 3 products and the sales associated to those. So you see here, my top 3 products are Gamma Tab 10.5, Beta Phone Pro X, and Delta Cam Ultra. If you look at this visual, you'll see those 3 products here as well, right? So with this, I'm able to find these 3 products in a tabular format. Now I need to include this in a measure to be able to create a metric for top 3 product sales. Let's do that. So I will just copy this part for that. And I'll create a new measure, which is top 3 product sales Okay, I already have this as an existing measure. So let me create, let's say I'll call it without a space, top three product sales. And here I will use the function sum x because I want to sum those values which are coming in a table. So my table here would be this table with the top-n function. And the expression that I'm going to use to sum this is the total sales column. Okay. So this will create a measure which I can use now in my report. We can once again go to the report view and I can create card visual where I can just add this top three sales, top three product sales, and see. This is how you can create a measure with only top n products, and you can keep it for top any number of products as you want. Even if you want to analyze the performance of these top products by some other dimension, you can do that. For example, if you want to see how the sales for only these top products are looking over the period, so you can see by year, you can see the sales of top end products. Okay. So this is how you can analyze only the top products or any other dimension and include that in your analysis. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.